how to delete page on Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to delete a page. So it's actually very simple. First things first, click over here on the top left, click on your page name, and you will see here a list of the different pages that you currently have. Click on manage pages, and in this page you can see here the different page that we currently have. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the page that we want to delete, for example, this page over here, and click on the three dots that you are seeing here. So there are different options that we could go with. We have settings, SEO basic, rename, duplicate, convert, edit page, and delete. So simply click on delete over here and click on delete page, and you can easily delete that page. As you can see, it's no longer part of our list. So if you even check it over here, as you can see, it will be gone. And on the different links that are attached to that page, it would disappear as well or be unlinked. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.